Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a TV show or episode or even a series, a film or even original on Disney Plus. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you open your browser, just go to the URL section and type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly take you into this page unless you are not logged in into your account. If you are not logged in into your account, or even you don't have an account, you will have or you will need to go and create your account by clicking at sign up now at your screen, whatever screen you have. Just click at sign up now. You'll find this at the middle. Of course, if you want to know more about creating your account, you'll find a video on this channel, so just make sure to go and check it out. So once you actually do that, let's say as an example, let's say as an example you already have an account. You can log in into your account at the top right corner. Of course, if you want to create or log in an account, you'll need to provide them with your phone number and then enter the code that they will send you. If you want to create it, you'll need to add even your email address. So once you do that, you'll find yourself here at this home or this main page, and you'll be able to watch all of those if you are subscribed to one of their plans. Of course, they have the monthly and the yearly plan. Subscribe to whatever it suits you, and of course you will be able to watch whatever you want. So of course, from here, if you want to watch something, of course just scroll here down and look for whatever you want to watch. Of course, let's say as an example you didn't find what you like here, you can just go then and go here to the search bar, click on it, and as you can see here, we will find movie, shows, and more. You can search for whatever you want. So let's say as an example, we would like to Avengers, and we will probably find it here. We'll need just to wait until it loads. Wait, I didn't even write this completely. uh Avengers. So yeah, here is it. Of course, if you want to watch something, just click on it and click watch now, and you'll need to wait until the player opens. And as you can see, here is it. It's starting now. You can make full screen. If you're watching on TV, you will not need to do anything, and here you are, you will be able to start watching. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.